everybody just dey waka up and down, dey hustle like say tomorrow no evil day at all. Now wow, God. I need to cool up with a bottle of drink. I'm never will anything to buy myself a bottle here.
Is this not Fassi? Fassi, my brother. It's been a while.
Idaboski.
What is happening?
Idaboski, Idabombo. Idaboski, Idabombo.
Now you be this.
I'm you.
It's been a while.
Idaboski.
Man.
You're looking refreshed.
Yeah, that's true.
Hey.
Wait, Fassi. The way you look is as if not all is well at all. What's the problem, my brother? What's up?
Idaboski, you've been my very good friend now for a long while. I will not hide anything from you. To be factual, I'm really exhausted and I need to relocate from this Lagos. I tell you, the competition here is not for babes at all. Child!
Oh, Fassi, I thought you were a realtor.
Realtor? Who real estate here for this matter, sef? I beg, forget that matter, sef.
No, don't say so, Fassi man. Real estate help me. You know the story now. From nothing to something. Not be being so.
Idaboski, you are making a point there. But to be factual, if I tell you say, I know they envy your success or they eye yourself, now lie and they lie give you. See, me myself, I want to buy my own car for this city and I go pet and red. I want to live largest things now. But my observation be say, all these clients sef, they no want even send agent wey no even get car like una. And you be like say, they want make I go dey start their own business. I just tired for the whole matter.
Fassi man, it has not come to that.
It has not come to that.
Yes, just listen to me. One thing I understand, for you to get something out of life, one have to be strategic and optimistic. My brother, it go better with patience and faith. Just be patient.
So, Idaboski, you don't turn preacher man now. If you don't tell me now, say don't join preachers association now. Okay, I will sit down, and listen to your gospel. Tell me the story because I'm willing to learn and unlearn.
Fassi man, now that you say you want to learn and unlearn,
yes.
Let me tell you.
Fassi man, so now go hear what.